But we should do everything to prioritize agriculture and food security. There is urgent need to direct our investments into adaptation, especially in attaining food sovereignty. Last year, as you all know, through the Africa Climate Summit, we made a significant shift in the continent's climate narrative and made commitments on being part of the solution to the climate challenge. In the Nairobi Declaration on climate change and call to action that was adopted at the end of the summit, the continent made commitments to, and I quote, redouble our efforts to boost agricultural yields through sustainable agricultural practices to enhance food security while minimizing negative environmental impacts. We need a regulatory environment that supports and nurtures the growth of a substantially expanded agricultural sector. Africa's food and agriculture market could increase from US $280 billion a year last year. We could scale that up to $1 trillion by 2030. For Africa, as the climate impact worsens and becomes more expensive to deal with, priority must be on adaptation to protect our communities from severe weather events, given the lowest level of emissions in our continent. I hope our discussions here today will yield innovative approaches and new collaborations across our countries, within our regions, as we also focus on eliminating trade barriers that impede the movement of goods, that impede the movement of services across our borders.